Starting around 12 October 2023, Cardano explicitly is exchanging at 25 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. ADA generally has a very all-out market cap of $8,616,650,909, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $97,678,214, which explicitly is genuinely huge. This explicitly makes Cardano, ADA, positioning at 8 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano explicitly be somewhat worth in 2023 in a huge manner? Is Cardano a kind of wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? Will ADA cost really outperform its untouched high, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking? These are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which in a real sense is very huge. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost for the most part is supposed to cross a kind of normal value level of 34 cents, the normal by and large least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to truly be 33 cents in a huge manner. Besides, ADA can arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of 37 cents in an unpretentious manner. Cardano value estimate August 2023, the very normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could especially go to 31 cents toward the finish of August 2023, or so they in every practical sense thought. ADA could by and large be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of 31 cents, with the kind of least expected cost of 28 cents, showing how on the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano certainly be by and large worth in 2023, which truly is very critical. Cardano value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the greatest cost for Cardano could generally stretch around 33 cents, which by and large is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 truly is 30 cents, with a sort of typical cost of 31 cents in a fundamentally significant manner. Cardano value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Cardano certainly is supposed to be at around an essentially least of 31 cents, or so they certainly thought. Cardano cost can basically arrive at an in every practical sense limit of 34 cents with the in every practical sense normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Cardano truly is supposed to explicitly be at around a truly least of 32 cents incredibly. Cardano cost can sort of arrive at a by and large limit of 36 cents, with the especially normal cost of 33 cents in United States dollars, which fundamentally is very huge. Cardano value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the greatest cost for Cardano could explicitly stretch around 37 cents, which generally is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in December 2023 is 33 cents, with a really normal cost of 34 cents. Cardano kind of past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been especially diminished by 1.11% in its fundamentally current worth, which especially demonstrates the way that Cardano cost can arrive at a by and large limit of 34 cents, with the genuinely normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that we explicitly look at the really current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap generally is likewise down, showing how this especially makes Cardano, ADA, genuinely positioning at 8 in the digital money market in an especially enormous manner. Cardano is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The ADA truly is down to nearly 6.35% in the most recent 7 days, which for the most part shows that Cardano basically is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for past commonly couple of days. The coin could especially serious areas of strength for have yet, We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in every practical sense. Present moment, further appearance how Cardano value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the for the most part greatest cost for Cardano could essentially stretch around 33 cents, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA generally diminished by 45.307%. Wiping out an incredible essentially normal amount of 20 cents from its fundamentally current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a decent basically purchase a potential open door for fast venture, which explicitly is very critical. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 35.47%. And the cost certainly circled from an in every practical sense, least sort of normal cost of 37 cents to greatest fundamentally normal cost of 39 cents in the exact beyond 90 days, which generally shows that Cardano extremely past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been truly diminished by 1.11% in its exceptionally current worth, which essentially demonstrates the way that Cardano cost can really arrive at a limit of 34 cents. With the kind of typical cost of 32 cents in United States dollars in an essentially huge way. Cardano essentially is somewhere near 8.96% with the greatest certainly normal cost of the coin, for the most part was around 27 cents, and the truly least fundamentally normal cost of explicitly was around 26 cents in sort of beyond 4 months in an unpretentious manner. Cardano value conjecture 2023 facts. What will all things considered be Cardano really worth in 2023? The ADA cost in a real sense is gauged to arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 37 cents, with by and large least cost of 33 cents toward the finish of 2023, showing how Cardano in every way that really matters is somewhere near 8.96% with the most extreme certainly normal cost of the coin, especially was around 27 cents, and the truly least truly normal cost of essentially was around 26 cents in certainly beyond 4 months, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Does Cardano by and large have a future, truly in spite of mainstream thinking? As far as value, Cardano basically has an extraordinary truly potential to truly arrive at new levels, showing how Cardano value gauge August 2023, the in every practical sense, normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could especially go to 31 cents toward the finish of August 2023, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. It generally is figured that ADA will increment in esteem, which explicitly is very critical. As per certainly unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Cardano can generally stir things up around town, the greatest cost of $12.87 till 2030, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Is Cardano by and large worth purchasing in 2023, or so they sort of thought? Cardano's worth generally is supposed to for the most part keep on extending, as deficiency will in general really support cost ascend in an unpretentious manner. If it's not too much trouble